Hey, my name is Matt Johnson, and today I want to show you how to easily edit and export high-quality videos for YouTube Shorts using DaVinci Resolve. And to save you time, I've created a free DaVinci project template that you can download at the link down below, which will save you a ton of time and get you editing these shorts very quickly without you needing to dial everything in manually. So go download that template for free down below. Moving on, welcome to DaVinci Resolve. And first off, you're going to want to create a new project like I've done here. And before you do anything else, you're going to want to go up here to File, Project Settings. And then here for your timeline resolution, we're going to want to change this from 3840 by 2160 to 1080 by 1920. Hey, Matt from the future here. Sorry to interject in the tutorial, but in the process of recording this video, DaVinci released version 18.1 and updated the way that you can do vertical videos in Resolve. Now, if you have updated to 18.1 or later, you're going to see this checkbox that appears that says use vertical resolution. And so if your timeline resolution is saying 1920 by 1080, for example, or 3840 by 2160, just check this box and it's going to automatically change it to 1080 by 1920 vertical resolution, which is great. Otherwise though, there won't be any differences whenever you are creating your timeline. And then here next to timeline frame rate, by default, most cameras these days are filming at 23.976 frames per second. But if you want to export your video at a different frame rate, which I don't really recommend, usually I just recommend 23.976. But if you want something else, you can select this drop down here and choose a different option for whatever you want to export your video to. In this case though, we're gonna leave it at 23.976 and then click save down here at the bottom. Next, import your footage. In this case, I have a clip that I filmed at a wedding recently, and then you're gonna drag it down here to the timeline and wait a second, no, everything's cropped and it's got huge bars on the top and bottom. Yes, this is what happens whenever you import a horizontal clip onto a vertical timeline. Resolve is going to scale the video down so it fits and put massive black bars on it. To fix this and make your image fill the screen, you can either go up here to the inspector in the top right corner, and then for zoom, you can click and drag to the right, which is going to zoom in on your image, and then you can click on the X position here to reframe things. Or if you have a lot of horizontal video clips that you're working with, I'm gonna press Control Z here twice to go back to the default. And then you're gonna wanna go over here on the left to your timeline, right click on the timeline, select Timelines, Timeline Settings, uncheck the Use Project Settings dialog box, and then here next to Mismatch Resolution, you're going to want to click the drop down and select Scale Full Frame with Crop, and then go up here to the Output tab because we're not done yet. Make sure that Use Project Settings is unchecked, and also change the Mismatch Resolution here to also Scale Full Frame with Crop. Press OK, and voila, now all of the images on your timeline will be rescaled to fill the screen. Then all you have to do is with your clip selected, go back over here to the inspector, and then for position, click and drag the X position to the right to reframe your clips. Finally, let's say you are done editing this video and you need to render it. Click on the rocket ship down here at the bottom to go to the export page. And then first we need to title this. Let's call this file name Who Is Matt Short. And then you're also going to need to select a location where you want your short to be saved to so you can find it after you've exported it. Once you have your location, hit save, and then make sure that render is set to single clip. And here under the video tab, for format, you're going to want to select QuickTime, codec H.264. Encoder is going to be set to whatever graphics card your computer has. You can leave it by default and it should be fine. But down here under resolution, here's where things get important. First, just like with the timeline settings earlier, you're going to want to make sure that this is set to 1080 by 1920 and the frame rate matches up with your timeline, which this does. If you need to change that frame rate though, make sure you change that. Hey, Matt from the future again. If you've updated to DaVinci Resolve 18.1 or later, you're also going to see this checkbox here that says use vertical resolution. You're going to want to make sure that's checked if you're exporting a YouTube short because that's going to make your video vertical. And then here under quality, this is the most important part. I would restrict this to 40,000 kilobits per second, which is high, but keep in mind that YouTube is going to compress your video down smaller, and choosing a high bitrate like this will help you avoid artifacts. And then if your software gives you the option down here for rate control, change this from VBR high quality to constant bitrate, which is going to help Resolve throw more data at the video files. Of course though, if this rate control option is not available in your software, I wouldn't stress about it. Your quality should still be great. With that, the last thing you need to do is select Add to Render Queue down here at the bottom, and then over here on the right, you can click Render All, which is going to then render out your YouTube short. To then upload your video file, you can use a site like Dropbox, which you can sign up for down below, or AirDrop if you're on a Mac, and then you can use your phone and the Dropbox app or AirDrop to save the video to your phone. Then all you have to do is open the YouTube app and upload your short there and hit post. With that, thank you so much for watching this YouTube Shorts tutorial for DaVinci Resolve. Remember that you can still download that free template file down below that will get you editing shorts even faster in Resolve. Also linked down below is a link to this video's sponsor, MusicBed. MusicBed is my favorite place to find music for my projects. And with over 1,000 artists and over 40,000 songs, I can always find the right one. They've got singer-songwriters like The Neighborly with layers of intimate acoustic sounds, lighthearted and fun rock vibes from Valor, and heartfelt introspective pop from Abby Holiday. Plus, MusicBed's search tools make it easy to find music with filters that let you search by BPM and key, not to mention playlists from your favorite filmmakers. I personally love the funky and folk pop playlists and spend a pretty good amount of time in there when I'm looking for inspiration. My secret weapon, though, is MusicBed's complimentary song search service, where they will help you find the exact song that you need for your video. This can help you save so much time. So take your projects and films to the next level with MusicBed. You can hear the difference their music makes for yourself by signing up for a free account, and when you're ready to sign up, you can use the coupon code MATTMusicBed, all caps, all one word, when checking out, to get 1 month free with the purchase of an annual subscription. Thanks again to MusicBed for sponsoring this video. It would also be a huge help to me if you would consider liking this video and subscribing if you want to see more tutorials like it in the future. Please comment down below and let me know what other videos you want to see me make. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.